Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how you can turn your iPad 11th generation into the ultimate student machine. In this video I am going to tell you about the top 5 apps that you can use on your iPad 11th generation if you are a student. The first app that student can use is Notability. This is the first app every student needs. With good notes or Notability, you can write notes like a real notebook, highlight and add images. You can also create folders and even record lectures inside the notes. So these two apps are super cool apps. As you are using iPad 11th generation, you can see the size of these apps. They are very large. The second app is Canva. Presentations, posters, project covers, thumbnails, charts, everything becomes super easy with Canva. Even if you are not creative, Canva makes your school projects look professional. I personally use this Canva app and I make all my thumbnails on this Canva app. As you can see here, these thumbnails have been made on Canva. This Canva app is super useful for students. The third app in the list is Notion, all-in-one productivity app. Plan your day, set reminders, write study notes, manage subjects, track assignments, everything. Notion is like your digital brain. Every student should try this app. If you are a student and you want to stay focused during study, then this Forest app is best for you. If you get distracted while studying, Forest can help. If you set a timer and a digital tree grows, if you leave the app to check social media, the tree dies. Fun way to stay disciplined. This app will definitely help you to be focused in your studies. Are you struggling with grammar mistakes? Then you will need this app. The name of this app is Grammarly. Grammarly app will be your personal writing assistant that fixes grammar, spelling and tone instantly. When you are writing any assignment, email, notes or even WhatsApp messages, Grammarly checks everything in real time and shows you the perfect correction. It not only fixes mistakes but also improves your vocabulary, sentence clarity and overall writing style. Various apps or platforms supports Grammarly keyboard, so use this keyboard for your better productivity. So these are some of the apps that every student must have in their iPad. Do let me know in the comment sections below if you are using these apps or not. Thank you very much.